Hello, all you Gabby Cat friends. I hope you're excited because today is an extra special episode of the show where I craft things from Gabby's Dollhouse. It's the Winter Wonderland edition. Gabby and the Gabby Cats have so many amusing adventures in the rooms of her dollhouse. And now, it's starting to get chilly out. So today, we are going to turn our DIY dollhouse into a winter wonderland. Let's get crafting. I'm adding some sparkly white snow to the dollhouse to put us in the cat-tabulous holiday spirit. Time to have some fun in the snow. Gabby and Pandy love to zoom around the dollhouse in Carlita, so I'm going to craft a Catastic cardboard sleigh that they can sled in. A sleigh needs lights on top. And a kitty face with rosy cheeks. This kitty sleigh is almost done. It just needs one finishing touch. Candy canes! This sleigh is ready to be taken for a ride. Crafty-rific! After all that fun in the snow, there's nothing like cuddling up next to a warm fire. I'm building a fireplace for Gabby and the Gabby Cats to get cozy. Can't forget the kitty ears. Instead of hanging stockings by this fire, Gabby and the Gabby Cats hang kitten mittens. Each of the Gabby Cats' mitten has their unique paw print. Gabby's, of course, has a handprint. Ta-da! The fireplace is all done. To give it an extra cat-tabulous holiday touch, let's add a kitty wreath. Done. What's that smell coming from Keki's kitchen? Holiday cookies! Keki makes these cookies extra festive by decorating them with snow kitties. Cookie decorating is a perfect winter activity to do with friends. Today, we handmade some amusing winter fun. I hope these crafts put you in the holiday spirit. Come back soon.
Welcome to our Merry Meowmas concert. We hope you enjoy our Catastic Song. On the first day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
a hug attack for Gabby.
On the second day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
2 rides for fun and a hug attack for Gabby.
On the third day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
3 cupcakes, 2 rides for fun and a hug attack for Gabby.
On the 4th day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
4 sugar scrubs,
3 cupcakes, 2 rides for fun,
and a hug attack for Gabby.
On the 5th day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
5 shiny things. Hacha!
4 sugar scrubs,
3 cupcakes, 2 rides for fun,
and a hug attack for Gabby.
On the 6th day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
6 garden parties,
5 shiny things. Hacha!
4 sugar scrubs,
3 cupcakes, 2 rides for fun,
and a hug attack for Gabby.
On the 7th day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
7 songs for singing.
6 garden parties,
5 shiny things. Hacha!
4 sugar scrubs,
3 cupcakes, 2 rides for fun,
and a hug attack for Gabby.
On the 8th day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
8 paints for painting,
7 songs for singing.
6 garden parties,
5 shiny things. Hacha!
4 sugar scrubs,
3 cupcakes, 2 rides for fun,
and a hug attack for Gabby. Woohoo!
On the 9th day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
9 bedtime stories, 8 paints for painting,
7 songs for singing.
6 garden parties,
5 shiny things. Hacha! Nice!
4 sugar scrubs,
3 cupcakes, 2 rides for fun,
and a hug attack for Gabby.
On the 10th day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
10 flowers growing, 9 bedtime stories, 8 paints for painting,
7 songs for singing.
6 garden parties,
5 shiny things. Hacha!
4 sugar scrubs,
3 cupcakes, 2 rides for fun,
and a hug attack for Gabby.
On the 11th day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
11 beats for dancing.
10 flowers growing, 9 bedtime stories, 8 paints for painting,
7 songs for singing.
6 garden parties,
5 shiny things. Hacha!
4 sugar scrubs,
3 cupcakes, 2 rides for fun,
and a hug attack for Gabby.
On the 12th day of Meowmas, my friends all gave to me
12 crafts for crafting,
11 beats for dancing.
10 flowers growing, 9 bedtime stories, 8 paints for painting,
7 songs for singing.
6 garden parties,
5 shiny things. Hacha!
4 sugar scrubs,
3 cupcakes, 2 rides for fun,
and a hug attack for Gabby. Hug attack!
All right, nice.
All right! Yeah.
Have an ameowsing holiday. Bye!
Meowsers! That wind is cold!
It sure is, Pandy.
Brr, this cold cat rat wants to be a warm cat rat.
Let's go into the dollhouse to warm up.
Brr, great idea, Gabby. Let's go.
Hi, Cakey.
Hi everyone! You're just in time for some hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? Yum!
Whoa! Thanks, Cakey.
This tastes so yummy.
Thanks, Gabby. Hot chocolate is my favorite way to warm up in the winter.
It really does make you feel all warm and snuggly. Maybe the other Gabby Cats have ways they like to warm up too.
Good idea, Gabby. Let's go ask DJ Catnip first. Bye, Cakey. Thanks for the hot chocolate.
Bye everyone! Have fun!
Hey there, kitty cats.
Hi, DJ Catnip. We were just outside in the cold, and we are wondering what your favorite way to keep warm in the winter is.
Dancing always gets me warmed up. Let's boogie.
Ah!
He's right. I feel much warmer now.
Hacha! Me too.
You know it.
Thanks, DJ Catnip.
To the bedroom.
Bye, DJ.
Anytime, cats and kittens, stay warm.
Huh. I guess Pillow Cat's not in here.
Oh, did someone say my name?
Hi, Pillow Cat. Those blankets look cozy.
They are. I like to add extra blankets to feel extra cozy when it's extra chilly outside.
That's a great idea. Extra blankets must mean an extra cozy nap.
Yes, I'm about to take one now. You're welcome to take some blankets.
Thank you. Have a great nap, Pillow Cat.
Oh, I will.
Hacha!
Catastic!
Hey!
Hey!
Hi, Meerkat! Hi, everyone! How can I help?
We'd like to know all the ways the Gabby Cats stay warm when it's really cold outside.
Oh, well, you're just in time. You can do what I'm about to do. Take a nice warm bath.
I think I'd rather find a dry way to stay warm.
Hi, Meerkat. Hi, everyone. Could I please borrow some of your shells to decorate my hat?
Yes, take as many as you need.
Thank you.
Baby Box, does that hat keep your head warm?
Oh, yes. It fits on my head nice and snug. Decorating this hat is my winter craft. Actually, I've already decorated winter hats for everyone.
Aw, thanks, Baby Box. Actually, that gives me an ameowsing idea. It's a get warm party, everyone.
Yeah!
A party? Yay!
Let's try all the ways we learned to stay warm, like drinking hot chocolate.
Dancing! Woohoo!
Cozying up with blankets.
And wearing a winter hat.
I don't feel nearly as cold now.
And later, we'll take a warm bath.
Thanks, but I'll pass.
Hey! Happy New Year, everyone!
We're ready for some New Year yoga.
Oh, hi, everyone. Find a mat for yoga. Can you guess which mat is for who?
Help us guess. Which one is Pandy's yoga mat?
Catastic! This one is white like my fur and even has black tips on it.
You're right, Pandy. That's your mat.
Which one is my yoga mat? I love rainbow colors, so this mat is great for me.
That means the purple yoga mat is mine. Honking horns. I'm ready for some yoga.
What is that tower of presents next to you, Carlita?
After yoga, I'm going to zoom around the dollhouse and deliver special New Year's presents to all the Gabby Cats.
That's so sweet, Carlita.
Awesome!
All right, get comfy in the middle of your mat. Look up, take a big breath, and let it out. Then stretch your body. Reach out with your arms and legs, and then make up your own stretching pose that just feels good. I like to roll.
This is the Pandy Paws pose.
I'll call this move the Catastic Sitting Stretch.
The Cobra Carlita! Now let's lie down and cuddle up on our mats. Breathe deeply in and out. Whew.
Carlita, are you okay?
Yes, I'm thinking about everything I want to do today. Like, give all the Gabby Cats these presents.
Would you like some help?
Gabby and I can help you make deliveries.
Oh, thank you. That helps me feel more relaxed already. Okay, everybody, let's take a big breath in and breathe out with a meow.
Meow.
Happy Yoga New Year. The end.
I feel ameowsing, Pillow Cat.
Yeah! Now let's help you, Carlita. What's our first delivery?
To the kitchen. Hop in. Buckle up. Happy New Year, Cakey.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Carlita.
Here, baby bucks.
Oh, thank you, Carlita.
Happy New Year, Mercap. Happy New Year to you two. Beautiful bumpers. We finished gifting everything. Thank you for helping me.
Of course, Carlita.
And here are your presents. Yay! Oh, boy!
Yowzing! It's a book! Thank you!
Oh, pickles! Thank you, Carlita.
How about if I read us a story?
Oh, that sounds relaxing. Anyone want a snack? I have some yummy pickles.
I'd love some.
Me too. Thanks for sharing, Pandy. Fantastic! Here you go. Hi, DJ Catnip.
Hey there, kitty cats. I'm so jazzed up to get our groove on for the holidays.
I am too. What are we singing?
I'll bet you know this one. Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
Meow, 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 meow.
'Tis the season to be jolly.
Meow, 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 meow. Don we now our cat apparel. Meow, 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 meow.
Scroll the ancient Yuletide carol.
Meow, 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 meow.
Awesome!
The holidays are great for singing songs.
And making holiday music videos. That was just a warm-up. Now we're going to make holiday music magic and film a video.
Meowsing. We can dress up with stuff from the dress-up closet.
Great idea, Gabby.
To the bedroom. Woohoo!
All right.
Yay!
Hi, dress-up closet. May we come in? Ooh, look at all these holiday clothes.
Oh, boy.
Well.
Look at that.
This holiday costume is terrific.
I'm a giant snowflake.
Hey, look! Reindeer antlers. Hey, what's this? I didn't know we had one of these. Shiny is miney.
And I have red and green glow sticks we can use for our dance.
Dance?
I'll teach you the moves. All right, for the dance, it's one paw forward and shimmy back 2 steps. One paw forward and shimmy back 2 steps.
Learn the dance with us.
One paw forward and shimmy back 2 steps.
1, 2. We got it.
Awesome! Now let's put the music and dance moves all together and bring that holiday spirit to our music video.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Sing along with us.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
Meow, 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 meow.
'Tis the season to be jolly.
Meow, 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 meow. Don we now our holiday apparel. Meow, 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 meow.
Mesmerized by this silver ball.
Meow, 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 meow. We did it.
Don't forget the big finale.
Ooh.
Happy holidays, everyone!
Meowie Christmas.
Hi there, I'm Lizzie, and today I'm doing 2 frosty, fantastic crafts inspired by Gabby's Dollhouse. Are you ready for some snow science?
All we need is a little snow science.
In Gabby's Dollhouse, Pat Rat and Pete the Polar Bear build a rainbow igloo in the North Pole. Today, I'm going to make my own version, a rainbow ice cube igloo.
Woohoo!
To make a rainbow igloo, you'll need salt, ice cube trays, a plate, water, food coloring, and somewhere cold so your ice can freeze. I'm going to put some water in this plate so there's an icy base to build my igloo on. Here we go! I think that's about good. So now we can make some rainbow ice cubes. For my first color of ice cube, I'm going to do pink. Wow, look how pretty. Look at it just like go down. It looks like jellyfish. Okay. Now let's do purple coloring. Let's do it. Now time for blue. Now I'm going to do green coloring. Now time to do yellow water. Now let's do orange. All mixed. Now time to pour the colors into the ice trays. This is nice. I like this. Perfect. It looks awesome. I just need to stick these in the freezer and tomorrow I'll have rainbow ice cubes. My rainbow ice has frozen, so now it's time to start building. Mercat says that when you shake some salt onto ice, it melts.
Salt? We trying to get us out of an igloo or season some French fries?
Then when you put another ice cube on top, the water in the middle gets cold, and then the ice freezes together. I'm gonna do a little salt, so then it melts a little bit of the ice. I'll go with pink.
Salt, stack, freeze! Whoa, that's cool!
This is so cool. I see how it's like refreezing back together. Look, it already looks like rainbow. This is so pretty. Another way to help the ice cubes stick together is by using ice slush. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little bit of the slush in between. Now dip it in the cold water and put it down. Now let's hold that. It's cold. No. Oh, my igloo broke.
It's okay, Pandy. Mistakes can be messy.
Okay, let's fix that real quick. And then once I'm done holding it, I'm done with my third layer. Now I'm starting on the fourth row. It's getting so tall. Now I want to see if I can make a little bit of a entryway. Like that. The entryway is working. This is so cool. Look. Wow. I'm so excited. So I froze a little disc so I could close it up on the top. Wow. My igloo looks so cool. It really looks like the igloo Pete and Cat Rat built.
Welcome to our rainbow igloo!
I love this so much. I'm so happy with how this turned out.
It's ice-tastic! You really know your snow science.
After all that hard work, I think I deserve a treat. Let's make some mermazing snow cones. To make these, you'll need glittery construction paper, tape, a pencil, snow cone cups, and more ice, of course. To start, I'm going to draw a line from the point of the cup to the opening. There! Next, I'm going to pick out the color of construction paper I want to use. I think I'm going to do green. Okay, so first thing you want to do is make sure the point is in the middle of your construction paper. You want to have the line at the bottom of the paper so it's touching right there, but you can still see it. You trace that. And now you trace the round part too, the bottom of the cup. You roll it over, so now the line is on the other side. Now you draw that. And do the bottom of the cup too. Now draw the middle to connect these two lines. But you're not finished yet. You want to draw two mermaid fins. Pretty! Now all you have to do is cut it out. Wrap it around the cone and attach it with tape. So I'm going to fold the tape to make it double-sided. Stick it right there. And I'll just do a couple more pieces and then I'm done with the tape. Yay! Okay, now I'm going to wrap this around the cone. Ta-da! Isn't it so cute? Now comes the fun part, adding the ice slush to our mermaid snow cone. Let's get scooping! Down. Oh, I want my snow cone to look like Mercat, so I colored some lemonade with food coloring to make it look like her. Oh, I spilled it on myself. Cool. And now one final decoration to make our snow cone look like Mercat. A pink ice star. Now it looks exactly like her. So cute. And yummy.
Oh, glorious ice!
I had so much fun making these ice-tastic creations. And I hope you had fun watching. For more fun crafts, watch Gabby's Dollhouse on Netflix.
Hi, Pandy. Hi, Baby Box. Brr, it's a chilly winter day in the garden.
Hi, Gabby. It is. So glad Baby Box and I made this super long scarf to keep warm.
Wow.
Do you want to help me build a snowman?
Great idea.
Yeah. Aww. But look. So much of the snow is already melted.
What if we built a snowman out of something other than snow?
That sounds crafty-rific!
Let's give it a go.
Fantastic! What could we use that's like snow?
Cotton balls!
And what if our snowmen became snow kitties?
Terrific!
Let's get crafting! You'll need a piece of paper, pencil, safety scissors, glue, black sequins, and cotton balls. Then take a small bowl and use it to trace a small circle. And a bigger bowl to trace your large circle. Now, cut out both circles with your safety scissors. Then glue them together. Now, glue a line at the bottom to attach your popsicle stick. The paper glued on a popsicle stick will be our base to build our snow kitties on.
Can we work on my snow kitty together?
Of course. I'll squeeze out the glue.
Add glue and cotton balls to cover your snow kitty. And don't forget the kitty ears.
It's so fluffy.
Now for the eyes and mouth. Use glue to add black sequins. And you're done!
It's finished!
Our first snow kitty!
I'm ready to make another one.
Oh no! We used all the cotton balls to make my snow kitty.
That's okay, Pandy. I want to build a rainbow snow kitty out of colorful pom-poms.
Pom-poms and polka dots! That's a fantastic idea!
I can't wait to see that.
Let's craft it together. Rainbow Snow Kitty is ready to play with her friends. Oh no, I used all the pom-poms.
That's okay, Gabby. I want my snow kitty to look like me. I'm making my snow kitty out of boxes. I need the 2 smallest boxes to make arms.
Can you help us find the 2 small boxes?
Here's one.
And here's the other one.
A smear of glue on each. Boop. Boop. Yay! A box snow kitty!
Let's go stand them up outside in the fairy tale garden.
I love how different they all look.
I love that we made them together.
Oh, look! It's snowing!
You know what that means? More snow kitties! Yay!
On the night before Christmas, Gabby and Pandy Paws are super excited for a visit from Santa Claus. Oh, did I say Santa Claus? 'Cause I meant to say Santa Kitty! So they put on sweaters and Catastic Santa hats and set off to celebrate with very merry Gabby Cats. First stop, the music room with their favorite DJ, spinning jingle bells on continuous replay. Next, they help Baby Box make Christmas decor out of paper and pom-poms and glitter galore. Soon the glue is all dry, the ornaments all shiny, even the one stuck to Pandy Paw's hiney. So they gather them up. They've got to get going. To the fairy tale garden, where the Christmas tree's growing. They decorate the tree. It's done in a jiffy. But then something yummy makes the kitties all sniffy. They follow their schnozzes straight to the kitchen to bake with Cakey, and they all get to pitch in. They make pies and cookies that smell so delicious until they hear something suspicious. But who made that noise? That jingly sound? Can it be? Is Santa around? So back to the tree, the kitties all scurry. If they want to see Santa, then they'd better hurry. They hide and they peek, and what do they see? Cat Rat? Leaving presents under the tree? Everyone smiles at the festive surprise. Cat Rat in a beard and a Santa disguise. He hands out some presents that he made himself to all of his friends from their favorite elf. With paw bumps and hug attacks and holiday cheer, the Gabby Cats celebrate their friendship so dear. But then, in the sky, right before bed, someone super jolly flies overhead. Santa Kitty and his reindeer, they're here, what a sight!
Merry Christmas, Gabby Cats! Have a cat-tastic night! Ho, ho, ho!